Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In the last video we have seen how to paint the terrain using the texture. In this video I will show you how to add different kinds of tree to our texture. So first of all you have to go to the standard assets, and in the standard asset you can find the environment folder. Inside this you have to go to the speed trees. In this there are three folders which contain three kinds of trees. There is a broadleaf desktop. Again, if you go back, there is a conifer, and then there is a palm tree. Apart from it, I have already told you to download this conifers BOTD. It contains some good trees which we can use in our terrain, and it is for free. If you haven't downloaded it, you can go to my previous video, and there you can find the link for these assets and also how to import them inside your project. So what we have to do now, we have to go to the terrain, and here after the brush option there you can see a tree. Inside this we have to click on the edit tree option and add trees. So if you click on the add trees, this dialog will appear, and you have to just select the prefab and grab it and drag and drop it over here. Once you drop it, the add option will be enabled. Just click on it and you can see a conifer is added, and if you select this, we can now place the trees inside our terrain. So I will just undo this and I will show you a better option to place the trees here. So just quickly I will add some more trees. Just select this and put it over here. Now go to the standard assets trees. The broadleaf is a better tree, so I will add it quickly. Okay, and there is a conifer too, so let's just add this. So now we have 5 trees with us, and there are 2 options to place a tree. One is you can select a tree and you can just put it like this. So I will just decrease the tree density option from here. It will decide how many trees will get placed. So if you decrease it, and I will keep the brush size to like 100, and so you can see nice looking tree placed in our terrain. So there is another option to mass place all the trees. So if you click here on the mass place trees, another box will appear, and you have to select how many number of trees do you want. So for this terrain I want 2000 trees, and using all these trees with different combination, this will place the trees to our terrain. So I will just click on the place button, wait for a couple of seconds, and here we are. So this option has placed all the trees in various options inside our terrain, and you can see now our terrain looks gorgeous. We have a full forest environment with us with just a click of a button. So in the next video I will show you how to add grass, and we will do something with the lighting because currently the lighting doesn't look that good. So please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss the upcoming video. And in the next video I will show you how to manually place trees, and you can paint it. This option is also good, but if you want to manually place it, I will show you in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe, and thank you.